third grade friends. Hope you're doing well. Ready to subitize? Hang on just a minute. There we go. Here we go. What's the value? How many more to make 10? How many left over? We know that's 1, 10, and 0 ones, and we call that 10. What is it? 11. How many to make 10? How many left over? 12. Good. 13. I know they're in order. 14. I know you know this one's 15, but I want you to tell me the real name. 1, 10, and 5 ones. Good job. All right. So guys, we're continuing our work in fractions where we are interpreting fractions with denominations of halves, thirds, fourths, sixths, and eighths using area and length models. And an area model is like a drawing, a rectangular array kind of. The numerator is the equal part, and the denominator is all the equal parts, okay? And then a length model is just our number line, okay? So we have a story today. I'm going to show it to you. And Gloria. And Miss Street thinks of the song Gloria. Gloria, Gloria, I think I got your number. Okay, anyway. Calling Gloria. If anybody else knows that, that's great. Kiddos, I know you don't, but it's okay. So Gloria is walking along the pond. It is a 1-mile trail along the side of a pond. At 1/6 of the mile, she stopped to take a picture of a turtle. Then Gloria stopped again at 4/6 of a mile to take a picture of some tadpoles. At the end of the mile, Gloria took a picture of some fish. Use a number line to record Gloria's walk, including the places that she stopped. Well, guess what? We're going to do an area model too. I want to show you how you can use your fraction pieces at home to help you, and then we'll do our number line. Does that sound good? All right, here we go. So this is our 1 whole mile. Okay, and I want to do it on my circle too, because guess what shape a pond is? It's circular. I've never seen a square pond. Have you? I mean, circles matter, people. Don't leave them out. Okay. Jesse's watching Power Rangers. Okay. All right. So it says that Gloria's walking along at 1/6 of a mile. She stopped to take a picture of a turtle. So I'm going to use my 1/6 pieces. So here, I'm just going to lay it on top here. 1/6, 1/6. So here's where she stopped to take a picture of a turtle. And Miss Street's going to try to draw a turtle. I don't know. I'm having a moment. There's a and then a head. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, there's a turtle. Very impressed, Miss Street. Well, thank you. I'm impressed myself. Okay. So there is where she stopped to take a picture of a turtle. Okay. Then Gloria stopped again at 4/6 of a mile. And then she took a picture of some tadpoles. Anybody know what a tadpole is? It's a baby frog, do, 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 do. Baby frog, do, 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 do. That was Zeb chiming in. All right, so at 4/6, so we went 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Whew. Come on, Miss Street. All right, I'm going to do it on my circle because a pond is round. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. She stops here to take a picture of some tadpoles. Let me see. I don't know. Tadpoles. Oh, Miss Street's going to be really bad at this. Tadpoles kind of look like that, maybe. I mean, it's okay. Don't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? All right, and then we'll draw some tadpoles here. Miss Street really should have Googled how to draw a tadpole, but I didn't. It's okay. Can you see my tadpoles? Okay. I know it's not clear. Okay. And so then at the end of the mile, Gloria stopped and took a picture of some fishies. So that's 5/6 of the mile, 6/6 of the mile. So 6/6 is one whole mile. Okay. So let's do it with this one too. So we had 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. So she is at the end of the pond, which makes Miss Street want to sing End of the Road. Although we've come to the end of the road. Okay, so at 6/6, she stops and takes a picture of some fishies. I'm just trying. There we go. So here we've used our area models to show how Gloria did this, but our problem really wants us to use a number line. So I'm going to scoot these back. Got my fractions everywhere. All right, and we know a number line, you see, I think, number line is a length model, okay? Now, we know what our equal parts are because our fraction, our denominator is 6. So I'm going to put a line there, and now I'm going to start my number line here at 0, okay? Because hang on just a minute. Jesse! He can't hear me. It's fine. So I put a mark here on my number line because we always need to know that there's numbers less than 0, okay? It's a true story. And your upper grade teachers, when you get to middle and high school, will really be appreciative that you know that, okay? So 0, and I'm going to go to 6. Sorry, I'm going to go to 1 whole mile, okay? But I know our problem tells us that Gloria stops every 6th mile. So how do I know how to divide my number line into 6 equal parts? And if you remember, when we did this, when we made our number lines, we know that if we could do it in thirds, then all we would have to do is take our thirds and partition them in half. So we can use that knowledge to help us on our number line. So I'm going to try to make 3 equal areas. Doesn't have to be perfect. Miss Street's going to lean across here using my good eye. I mean, it's not perfect, but I got 3 equal areas. So here's 1, and here's 1. Now I'm going to take each of these areas and partition them in half. So I'm using my fraction bars to help me determine how to draw this number line, okay? So here I should have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and we know 6/6 is 1 whole. And in this instance, we're talking about the mile, okay? So Gloria's walking along. She goes 1/6, and she stops here. And what does she see here? Yertle the turtle. True story. Okay? Then she walks along to 4/6 of a mile. So here she goes, 1/6, 2/6, 3, 6, 4, 6. This is where she sees the baby tadpoles. Little baby frog, do, 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 do. Baby frog, do, do. That's really bad, but it's fine. And then she goes all the way to the end, 6, 6 of the mile. At the end of the mile, although we've come to the end of the mile, I'm still going to take pictures of fish. True story. Okay. Miss Street likes to sing. So here's our fishies. Okay, so we have shown Gloria's trip around the pond using a number line, which is also called a length model. We showed it also here. These are area models. Okay, we actually used our fraction bars. We did it with our circle too. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. I'm very proud of us. We're going to continue our work with fractions next week because fractions are huge, guys. They're big. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. It's a beautiful day outside today, so get outside and play, have fun, and I'll see you next week.